Hey everyone, and welcome. If you're tired of harsh chemicals and you're looking for a way to get clear skin, you have landed in the right place. Today, we are digging into a really powerful, time-tested herbal remedy.
Okay, let's just jump right into it. What if you could actually dissolve those super stubborn blackheads and make your pores look smaller using nothing more than a flower? I'm talking no redness, no peeling, no irritation that you get from all those synthetic treatments. Sounds pretty amazing, right?
So in this explainer, we're going to focus on one of nature's best-kept secrets for skin, calendula. By the time we're done here, you'll get the science behind how it actually busts up those oil plugs. You'll know exactly what to look for to get the good stuff. And you'll have a simple, step-by-step guide you can use tonight. So what is this little miracle flower? Well, you might know calendula by another name, pot marigold. But trust me, its history is so much more than just being a pretty flower. We're talking about a legacy of powerful cross-cultural medicine here. I mean, people have known how amazing calendula is for centuries, all over the world. In Europe, it was a go-to in folk medicine. In traditional Chinese medicine, they used its cooling properties to calm down hot, inflamed skin. And get this, ancient healers would even put it on battle wounds to help skin regenerate. That's some serious power.
Now, before you run out and buy the first thing you see, listen up, because this is super important. The results you get are 100% dependent on the quality of the herb you use. Sourcing really matters.
So here's your cheat sheet. You want to look for organic, whole, dried flower heads. That vibrant orange or deep yellow color, that's a sign of potency. You want to avoid the pre-ground powders or the stuff in tea bags. It's usually way less effective. And always go for non-irradiated and pesticide-free. Remember, whatever you put on your skin gets absorbed. Okay, so we know it has this incredible history, and we know how to find the high-quality stuff. But how in the world does a flower actually get rid of a blackhead? Let's geek out on the science for a minute. All right, so the first secret weapon here are things called triterpenoid saponins. It's a mouthful, I know, but just think of them as nature's own little cleansing agents. They act like a super gentle soap that gets right into the pore and breaks down that hardened, waxy plug of oil that we call a blackhead. It just dissolves it from the inside. But wait, there's more. Dissolving the gunk is only half the battle. Calendula also has these things called ferrideal esters. These are amazing anti-inflammatories. They calm down the redness and swelling around the pore, which makes it way easier for all that loosened up debris to actually get out without causing any damage. And you know, calendula is so much more than just a spot treatment for blackheads. Over time, it actually helps train your oil glands to calm down. It fights off acne-causing bacteria, and it even helps stimulate collagen production so your pores can shrink back to their happy, normal size. It's pretty incredible. Okay, now for the really fun part, the part where you actually get to do this at home. We're going to walk through what I call the Calendula Pore Purifying Steam. It's so easy and feels so good. First, you're going to boil about 2 cups of filtered water. Carefully pour it into a heat-safe bowl, like glass or ceramic. Next, take a big handful of those beautiful dried calendula flowers and just drop them in. Let them steep for a couple of minutes. You're basically releasing all those amazing compounds. Then, just grab a towel, drape it over your head and the bowl to make a little steam tent for yourself. Keep your face about 8 to 10 inches away, close your eyes, and just relax for about 5 to 7 minutes. Afterwards, gently wipe your face with a soft cloth. Now, this next part is really important, so please pay attention. A huge mistake people make is they overdo it. You should never ever steam for more than 10 minutes. And make sure that water isn't at a crazy rolling boil when you put your face over it. Gentle steam is what we want. Too much heat can actually damage the delicate capillaries in your face. We don't want that. And hey, want a little pro tip to boost the results? Of course you do. Before you start steaming, take just a single drop of castor oil and gently massage it onto your face. Castor oil is amazing because it acts as a carrier, helping to pull all of calendula's good stuff even deeper into your pores. It's a total game changer. All right, we're almost at the end. Let's just wrap up with a few final but very important points on safety and how to get the absolute best results from this routine. You know, with any natural remedy, consistency is everything. So for the best results, to really see those blackheads clear up and your skin texture improve, you're going to want to do this herbal steam about twice a week. And last but not least, let's talk safety. Look, this treatment is amazing, but it's not for everybody. If you know you have an allergy to the daisy family that includes things like ragweed, then you need to skip this. Also, please don't use it on any broken skin or open wounds. And if you have severe rosacea, the heat from the steam can be a trigger, so it's probably best to avoid it. So there you have it. Nature really does provide some of the most powerful tools for our skin as long as we know how to use them. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried a floral or an herbal steam before? What was it like? What were your results? Drop your stories in the comments below. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this explainer.